Hello everybody, welcome back to another Hypixel Skyblock video, because today we're going to be figuring out how to make a crap load of money because of the new garden update. So, let me just get into it. I'm not going to say anything else. Okay, first off, you need to be playing on non-Iron Man and non-Strand, obviously, though, non those two. You need to be on a regular one where you can go to the bazaar. Also, you need the bazaar unlocked. Next, go into here and buy, I would say, 10 stacks of enchanted bread. And this is going to be what we're going to partially use. And you should also buy at least 10 to 20 oil barrels or anything with fuel. Because of the composter, which is in the garden. Now, we're going to go to the garden. And since I put... Bleh. 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 And because of the composter, I can insert all of this enchanted bread, which each stack is 3,840 organic matter, whatever, and then oil barrels will make compost, which each sells for, let's see right now. Let's check how much they are right now. They are going for 228k per cell, or per one. And a stack of enchanted bread is 32k, apparently. What? Hold on, let me make sure. Huh. Stack of enchanted bread is 32k. So, if you buy if you buy at least 10 stacks of it, probably between 200 to 400k, meaning you're going to get 10 compost and make about 1 to 2 mil profit. This is more of an early to partially middle game money making method, but it's at least money. Like, come on, you can't deny that. And it might take a while, but you can go do whatever the heck you do in Skyblock, and it'll make it even with you doing stuff. Like, you can go mine in the end and make money that way, and then wait for the composter to make compost, and then you're gonna make hella money. So it's a win-win. It just takes a long time. Anyways, this is my tutorial on how to make money. Goodbye.